Okay, so today I'm out here. I'm going to demonstrate this worm gear winch with operating it with my drill instead of the handle, which I've taken off. That is in a rigid 18-volt drill that is at least 15 plus years old. It is not a powerful one. So I pulled the dock out last fall with the drill to wind it in. And I actually had comments, people didn't believe it. Said, you didn't show it, I don't believe it, I couldn't do it. So I figured I better do one again. So I'm gonna right now I'm gonna let it down. And then when it's down, I'll just lift it up a bit and demonstrate that. So I'm gonna unhook my second cable there, which is my safety cable. So all I do is take that drill and put it right on the shaft. Right there. And I'm gonna snug it up a bit so I can get this cable off. There we go. So take the tension off. A little more. There we go. That's my safety cable, just so it can't drop. Now I'll put her in reverse and let her down. So I'm going to stop there and just say a couple of things. So you can see now it's obviously going down easy. I'm going to put it back to speed one, so it's got a little more power. And if you're seeing the dock, I may move the camera so you can see this a little better. I'll go up the hill a bit so you can see the whole dock. We'll adjust here. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to bring it in with the drill so you'll actually see it tilting up. So you can see that that tiny drill with the worm gear has the power to do this. So here we go, bringing it back up. You can see it tilting up. So works fantastic. Up and down. I used to hook up an ATV, get the winch, wind it in, wind it out with a couple of extra pulleys. Now I just put that drill on there and it's literally not more than a few minutes job to put the dock in. Fantastic way to do this. Anyway, it's a demo of just how powerful those worm gear winches are. You have so much mechanical advantage by spinning this gear. I don't know what the actual mechanical advantage would be. It's got to be in the neighborhood of 50 to 1 of the power increase, plus the center spindle is smaller, so you're amplifying it even more. Anyway, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe to my videos.